Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's the Bristle Blower. Sorry I haven't been too active lately. Who would have thought I wouldn't have been able to keep up with my schedule? Yeah, I probably could have guessed it. But it doesn't matter, because I'm here now and I have another really good video for you. And this one's going to be on your evening routine for your beard. Now I know I haven't even done the morning routine yet, but that's going to come. Just wait on it. I'm still trying to figure out my own routine actually. I've kind of made a few little changes to it, but it will be coming, definitely will be coming. But today we're going to focus on something much easier that you should all be doing, and that's an evening routine. And I've got a really good product here that's going to sort you out for that. Now an evening routine is something that you might not necessarily have thought about. Maybe if you've just grown a beard, why do you need to do an evening routine? It doesn't really matter, does it? You're just going to go to bed. For me, it's just important to really have that 24-hour cycle of just conditioning, just to make sure at no point during the day does your beard get really too dry. So I just try and top it up in the morning, make sure it's good then for the afternoon, and then when it's in your evening, make sure it's set up for the next day. Now you have to be quite particular with what item you want to use for like an evening routine. I usually find like beard oil is too thin really to cut it. That's not going to last you all night. So you want to go with something like a beard butter or like a beard balm that's purely just for conditioning and softening. So what item do I recommend for this night routine? Well, I go for the heavy duty Honest Amish Beard Balm. Really good stuff. It's definitely something that I'm not even going to have to think about getting anything else as a replacement. This works straight away. It's been really good for my night routine. This just does the job perfectly. Even if you're new to the beard game, you might have heard of Honest Amish. Loads of people rave about them. Loads of good reviews coming across everywhere. They're actually reasonably easy to get hold of. This is personally the only Honest Amish product I've tried. I still need to try their oils and other things like that. But if they're as good as that, they're going to be fantastic. One of the best things with Honest Amish products is just the insane quantity of ingredients they have in them. But it's all natural and all organic. Yeah, get a load of this. We've got, where are we? A proprietary blend of 15 hair strengthening botanicals infused in a base of virgin argan, golden jojoba, avocado, sweet almond, virgin pumpkin seed, and apricot kernel oils, then masterfully blended with fruit and nut butters and 5 hair enhancing essential oils plus waxes. That's going to be loads more than you need to get in your average balm. I know the oils are the same. Loads of really good ingredients and good stuff in there. And it definitely lives up to the name heavy duty beard balm. Definitely does when you pop it in your hands and you see what it feels like. So if I show you what it looks like now, as you can see, I have definitely gone to town on that. So it's 2 ounces you get in here. So even though I've been hitting this every day for several months now, it's actually taken me quite a long time to get to this point, and I still reckon I can get a few months out of it. Right, I'm just going to scoop some out now. Right, you can see there, this stuff is really smooth, emulsifies really quickly, and it just actually feels really heavy duty. It's like in the hands, it feels really heavy duty. I don't actually need to put any on, but it's been done. It's been done, isn't it? And the actual smell of it, even though there's no real sort of scent in there, got the natural smell of it. Sort of smells like black licorice. That's kind of what everyone says in the comments, and I kind of agree with it. Yeah, and even if you're not really into the smell of black licorice, I wouldn't worry about it, because it's a really inoffensive sort of just natural scent that I actually really like in the evening. I find it quite relaxing just to pop that in. It's not going to blow your face off or anything. It's just really natural and quite a calming scent. And all I do in the evening, basically when I wash my face, I maybe put like a little bit of water in my beard just to get it just a little bit moistened up so it can absorb more easily. And then I just pop in some of this beard balm, and that's it. I just let it sit in there all night. It's as simple as that. And then I wake up, instead of my beard being really dry and horrible, I actually feel relatively soft thanks to this really good product. And my beard doesn't soften that easy, so it is really good, and it definitely lives up again to the name of a heavy duty beard balm. And of course, the benefit of it being really soft in the morning, it's easier to prepare for your morning routine, especially if you're rushed and you haven't got time and you just need to like brush it and just get it together really quickly. That's really going to help you out. And even if you're going to wash your beard, you're going to start completely anew, it's still good just to have a soft beard. Just making sure that at no point does your beard just get really dry for hours on end. So yep, highly recommended. And that's going to be it today. Again, quite a simple video, but nonetheless a really important part of your beard routine, the night part of your routine. Really, really important. Probably overlooked by a lot of people, but it's so easy. Literally just get yourself heavy duty balm, or even just like a good beard butter or another sort of similar balm, just something that's really going to keep your beard conditioned for the long night. So thank you very much for watching. I've been the Bristle Blower. Again, sorry for the lack of content. I'm going to try and make it up to you this week, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye. And again, please like, subscribe, leave comments, follow me on Instagram. Beard.